Hello viewers, welcome back. And in this video, as I already mentioned, I am going to explain about the phase shift keying wave from the amplitude shift keying. You can see that this is the ASK wave that we generated in the last video. So now what are the necessary changes that are required to convert this ASK into PSK? If you recollect the equation, the difference between the ASK and PSK is the data bit format will be not in URZ form, that is you non-return to 0, but it will be in the BNRZ form, that is binary non-return to 0. That is, the data bit 1 will be represented as +1 and data bit 0 will be represented as -1. So if you multiply with the carrier, there will be a phase shift, that is for data bit 1 there will be a 0 degrees phase, and data bit 0 there will be a pi radians phase. So that you can write a cos omega ct for data bit 1 and minus a cos omega ct for data bit 0. So all you need to do is you need to change this to -1, and the remaining will remain the same. Now let me run this. So now you can clearly see that here there is a phase shift. So let me elaborate this. Now you can see the data bit is also matched. What you all thinking? I got that. So now you can compare these two. This is one that is transferring of 0 here, 0, and here you can see there is between two phase shifts there is a bit change, that is this is 1 and this is 1 bit, that is 1 0 again 1. So for every transition from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1 there is a phase shift. Here you can see of 180 degrees. Here there is a phase shift, and here also there is a phase shift, and here also there is a phase shift, and here also there is a phase shift. And similarly there are transitions at here you can see the transition. So this is the phase shift keying wave. If you see the equation, then you get the feel that the data bit 1 you will transmit a cos omega ct, and for data bit 0 it will be minus a cos omega ct. So where here also there is a phase shift at every bit transition. So with this you can say that a PSK wave can be generated very easily with the basic knowledge of ASK in the LabVIEW. But coming to the academics or theoretical approach of generating PSK wave is not like changing a simple equipment from the ASK wave. There you should work a little harder, that you have to convert the UNRZ format into BNRZ format wave, and then you have to continue the process. So that I think you all guys learned and enjoyed this video, because it is very easy if you have the basic knowledge of ASK generation. And that's all for this video, and see you in the next one.